A mother is in the kitchen making dinner for her family. When her daughter walks in, "Mother, where do babies come from?" The mother thinks for a few seconds and says, "Well, dear, mommy and daddy fall in love and get married. One night, they go into their bedroom. They kiss and hug and have sex." The daughter looks puzzled. So the mother continues, "That means that daddy puts his penis in mommy's vagina. That's how you get a baby, honey." The child seems to comprehend. "Oh, I see. But the other night when I came into your room, you had daddy's penis in your mouth. What do you get when you do that?" "Jewelry, my dear, jewelry."